With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so today's question is volumetric titration involving KMnO4 are carried out only in presence of dilute H2SO4 but not in presence of HCl or HNO3. This is because oxygen produced from KMnO4 plus dilute H2SO4 is used only for oxidizing the reducing agent. Moreover, H2SO4 does not give any oxygen of its own to oxidize the reducing agent. In case HCl is used, the oxygen produced from KMnO4 plus HCl is partly used up to oxidize HCl, and in case HNO3 is used, it itself acts as oxidizing agent and partly oxidizes the reducing agent. KMnO4 in various mediums gives the following products. So first we have got Mn plus 7 in presence of H plus converts to Mn2 plus. Mn plus 7 in presence of H2O converts to Mn4 plus, and Mn plus 7 presence of basic medium becomes Mn6 plus. Number of electrons transferred in each case when KMnO4 acts as an oxidizing agent to give MnO2, Mn2 plus, MnOH whole thrice and MnO4 2 minus are respectively. So first we have got KMnO4. KMnO4. So here the oxidation state of Mn in KMnO4 is, so we have 1 plus Mn plus minus 2 into 4 is equal to 0. So Mn is equal to plus 7 in this case. Again, after that we have got Mn2 plus. Then we have got MnOH whole thrice. So over here it will be plus 3 and over here it is MnO4 2 minus. So this will be Mn plus minus 2 into 4 is equal to minus 2. Mn is equal to plus 6. Plus 6. Mn. After that now we have to find the number of electrons transferred. So for going from KMnO4 to Mn2 plus, we see this is plus 7 to plus 2, so this will be change of 5 into number of Mn atoms, that is 1. So this change is 1. So electrons that have been transferred is 5. After that we have got MnOH whole thrice. We missed out on one of them, that is MnO2. MnO2 over here oxidation state is plus 4. Now for KMnO4, that is Mn plus 7 to Mn plus 4. So this will be change, that is 4 to plus 7 to plus 4, that is 3 degrees into 1, that is 3. After that we have got MnOH whole thrice. That was Mn3 plus. So this is change is from plus 7 to plus 3, that is 4 degrees into 1. So change is equal to 4. After that we have got MnO4 2 minus, that is Mn plus 6, Mn7 to Mn plus 6. So change is equal to 1 degrees into 1, that is equal to 1. So we have been asked number of electrons transferred in each case, and it goes to MnO2. So for MnO2 it was, that was Mn plus 4, change is 3. For Mn2 plus it is 5. Mn plus 3, that is MnOH whole thrice, it was 4. And for Mn plus 6 it is 1. So these are the correct answers. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.